Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to improve system performance in Honor Play 10. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.